This is Ori from AstroWeb, and I'm going to show you how to use the Magento 2 search terms backend section. So what are search terms? This report will actually show you on your website what users are searching for in your internal search engine, not Google or external stuff, but what they're doing on your internal search. And that really gives you a lot of insight into what are your customers looking for, and especially are your customers finding what they're looking for, right? Are they searching for things, they're not finding results? Are the results not correct? Have you not configured your information correctly? Or are you doing, of course, a great job? So I created a few sample searches to kind of show you a few things, okay? So in the search terms page, of course, it's in marketing and search terms right here. Here I have a list of all of the terms people search for. So this is the list, so test, trump, shoes. Or it could be a phrase, of course. It's just whatever people search for. And then I can see for every single query how many results, how many products appeared, how many times were those terms searched for. So for example, the word Nike was searched 17 times. And how many, going back to the results. So for example, for Nike shoes, there were 3 products that appeared. But for shoes, for example, there's 0 products. So 3 times the word shoes was searched for and 0 results popped up. So that's not good. I know I'm selling shoes, for example, because I have shoes here, but I didn't configure something correctly, and most likely it's the way products are associated or defined. And that's for a different video, but you'll basically need to configure that. So what can you do? I want to give you a few tips that are very good. So number one, you can see what are the most popular searches that people are looking for and make sure those are providing very, very good results, right? If a lot of people are searching for that, let's fix those ones first, the most popular ones. So what I basically would do is go to search engine and just type in the search term, right, Nike, and see if I'm actually receiving the results that are correct, right? So that's just a simple kind of manual look at it. If not, let's try to optimize that. Let's try to add to our product configuration, etc. Number 2, I like to look at the results that people search for, the terms that people search that have 0 results. And I like to fix the ones that have 0 results. So for example, shoes, it doesn't make sense I have 0. So I did something wrong. So number 1, you need to fix your product associations. Number 2, you can edit this term and you can manually force a redirect. So if I know for sure that anyone who types in the word shoes should go to a specific page, for example, my category page, which is the one that shows all of my shoes, I can just take this URL and override the search results page. So when someone searches for that term, don't show the search results, go to this redirect URL. I click on save, and let's try it out. And let's do this. Let's type in shoes. And instead of going to search results, I'm in the category page. So this is a helpful tool. The third thing and last thing that is very helpful is you can go here to marketing and search synonyms. And what you can basically do right here is you can add a new group. And so what you're going to have to do is really look at the search terms in the page we were before and figure out how else can you actually help customers find what they're looking for. So you're going to define the name, of course, itself, and you're going to define the synonyms. So what you're basically doing is you're adding, on top of whatever people are searching for, you're adding more terms that are relevant. So anytime, for example, someone types in shoes, okay, I'm going to use comma separated to say anytime someone uses shoes, also make Magento system search for this or this or this or this. So anytime someone searches for shoes, right now this I redirected, okay? But also search for products that have the word footwear, or search for the products that have maybe, I don't know, basketball shoes, okay? Or something like that, okay? So basketball. So you can basically use, for example, if you see here, the OR functionality, and then you can make the search engine get more accurate information. So you really need to think about what's going on here. Okay, so then you save it, and then it'll help optimize the search engine. Of course, you can also, the last tip is you can also plug in Google Analytics and then figure out which search terms bring money, which search terms are abandoned, bounce rates, bring sales, etc., which is a topic for another video. So hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.